Hello viewers, found my mic cable for once and managed to fit it, so hopefully the audio pickup is clear. It was a bit dodgy for a while. I had it all set up wrong. I had to find a little mini cable that I'd bought off Amazon, which I found eventually. And I've got my new X4. So I can try that out, and that'll be used this year on the tour, which is Spain and Andorra. So this is my first real outing on the bike this year, proper outing. And I'm just nipping up to a new cafe that's sprung up on the road between Ormskirk and Southport. It's called Area 52, I think, in homage to Area 51, which is the which is the UFO type conspiracy area. That's probably just a aerospace research area, but this is in Ormskirk and not in the Nevada desert. So we'll go there and then we'll go to the gym and then we'll head back, give the bike a run out, see if everything's set up well. Everything survived the winter. Well, the battery has at least. See if he knows he's got the right of way. Yes. Right, let's switch over and get a bit of this footage, see what it's like. It's the same as 360 view, but it's the X4, which is a higher bit rate, I think, and 4K. And it's got a few other little gadgets which the X3 hasn't got, like protective lenses. I did scratch one of my lenses, as everybody kept reminding me. I just put it down to sun flare, but it was actually a scratch on the lens. 51 cafe. Pretty good. Coffee was good quality. Good selection of snacks, etc. A bit of a convoluted collection of your drink with a little buzzer. I don't see the need for that in such a small venue, but that's what they had, and it worked quite well. But not many bikes there. I thought there'd be more bikes on a day like this. But they'll catch the going to Southport trade, I'm sure. Not too bad. A cappuccino and a Bakewell tart cost me about £6. What's this guy going to do? Indicate just as I pull out.